Hi friends, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. This is a video tutorial on ways to remove one element from a binary string so that XOR becomes 0. Let's have a look at the problem statement. Given a binary string, task is to erase exactly one integer in the array so that XOR of the remaining numbers is 0. The task is to count the number of ways to remove one element so that XOR of that string becomes 0. For input 1 0 0 0 0, output will be 1 as there is only one way to make XOR 0 by removing 1. For input 1 0 0 1 1, output will be 3 as there are 3 ways to make XOR 0. We can remove any of the 3 ones. For input 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0, output will be 5 as there are 5 ways to make XOR 0. We can remove any of the given zeros. A simple solution is to one by one remove an element, then compute XOR of the remaining string, and count the occurrences where removing an element make XOR 0. An efficient solution is based on the following fact. If count of ones is odd, then we must remove a 1 to make count 0, and we can remove any of the ones. If count of ones is even, then XOR is 0. We can remove any of the zeros and XOR will remain 0. Now let's have a look at the implementation. Initialize ones count and zeros count as 0. Let n be the length of the string. Now we will count the number of ones and zeros. Traverse with the string, and if string I is 1, increment 1 count, else increment the 0 count. If count of ones is even, then return count of zeros, else count of 1. The time complexity of this solution is order n as there is a single loop in it. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.